flag package. Package flags contain functionality for parsing command line arguments. OK, as usual, we create the file. Next, we create the main package and the main function. Here we will create three variables with package flag host, username, and password. The flag string function takes three arguments: the flag name, host, the default value, localhost, and a usage message, put your database host. The username and password are created the same, the only difference is the flag name, value, and message. After defining the flags, we call flag parse to parse the command line arguments. This function parses the command line flags from OS args1 and assigns the values to the respective flag variables. Once the command line arguments are parsed, we print the values of the host, username, and password flags using dereferencing to access the flag values. If we run it, the results will be all the default values as written. We try changing the host value to 127. OK, you can see the value has changed to 127. Now we try changing the hostname, username, and password. Now let's try. And the results all changed.